What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are tearing apart. We're tearing apart the engine. I don't know how far we'll go. We're going to kind of take our time a little bit and do it right. But I'm going to be using my brand new point of view cap, which I will send you. I will post up a picture right now, and you can see my epic point of view hat. Why? Because it kind of gets me in there a little bit, and everybody was complaining that everything was shaky. So we're going to do that right this time. So let's go. Alright guys, this is the official test of the point of view hat. Right now we're getting everything kind of out of the way here. We're going to move the engine over there by the toolboxes, so I don't have to go back and forth. But this is the vintage 89 5-liter HO for project 4 to 8. My point of view camera is definitely messing with my mind here. I can't really focus on what I'm doing. So we're gonna see how this works out. All right, we got it. Yeah. Right here. I was trying to get it over close to some tools. True. Alright, gents, so, and those are my radiator hold downs. I need to put those back over here by the radiator. Rusty. Pretty normal. Not too bad. Probably will. He's got a bunch.
situation.
All right, guys, current situation, I'm trying to get this heater tube off, and I think we're not even gonna reuse this lower. This thing is literally twisting. This needs to be replaced anyway. It doesn't.
It's out now since it's all jacked up. But
yeah, it does not want to come out. Gee, oh, there it goes. Yeah, finally.
Twist the whole thing,
but it's old, it's nasty. Probably gonna have bolts break, so I don't like the old sandcast looking intakes. The way you can tell a sandcast is that right there. I like the newer ones. But yeah, it's nasty. I had a couple bolts break off, but the plan is new timing cover, new pointer, balancer. I mean, it's all gonna be new. New valve covers. Well, not new, but
lifters can.
Yeah, well, no, not that.
Heads.
Anybody that wants, nah, we're going stock. We got to stay stock.
Yeah, no, but
it's fine.
Instead of new E7s.
Well, yeah, we can do that too.
They're making 10 holes now, you know.
True, that's true. We'll put some reman 10 holes on here and reman E7 heads and send it. That's out. Yes, she's gonna need a thorough cleaning. All right, boys, so here's the inside. This is what we're looking at. It is black, but overall it's not bad. It's not bad. None of the intake bolts broke, which means it's probably had intake gaskets at some point. But you can see it's, like I said, it doesn't have any buildup, it's just black. So they didn't change the oil as often and probably as they should have, but not to the point where it started just sludging up the engine. So yeah, Dover, what do you think?
Yes, keep going.
Not too bad?
Keep digging deeper.
Yeah, a little deeper?
Deeper.
Everything looks good though. Triple Y block. Love it. Alright, boys, see where we're at here. Got the manifolds off, timing cover off, and yeah, definitely needs a timing chain, timing cover, all that. Has had a one-piece oil pan gasket. Not that it's not going to get changed, but has had that, so is what it is. We did have one timing cover bolt right there. We'll have to get that out.
Yeah, Caleb.
Yeah, put my talents to work. But no, you can actually see, you know, one-piece oil pan gasket. Not too bad. And of course, I'll put new motor mounts on it. But now I'm gonna yank the heads real quick, see how them look. Them. And she'll consider her stripped. Do what? Yeah, she's dry. Hurry. Yeah, looks pretty good. Guys, we're just kind of taking a look here, seeing what the bottom end looks like. Head looked good.
We ain't smoking up.
No, run great. E7TE.
The gasket's starting to look kind of crappy, but
Is it OE gasket? Hard to tell, yeah. But
they've been on there a while.
yeah, you can
They've
see
been on there since '89, but they've been on there.
you can see cross hatching in the cylinders.
Run worse, huh?
Yeah, definitely. We sprayed nitrous to motors that look worse than this. Not too bad, boys. I think we're gonna send the heads off, make sure they're flat and true, clean everything up. Might rehone the cylinders. Who knows? Main thing is it runs good. Has plenty of compression. Make plenty of power. Get all these gaskets off. But yeah, guys, not bad at all. All right, boys, so there you go. We have got Project 4-8's engine all the way torn down. Again, timing chains and all kinds of stuff. Everything's gonna get cleaned and resealed and checked and all that. Oh, it's raining big time, but yeah, guys, everything looks great though. I mean, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing bad. Just, you know, typical 100,000 mile 5.0 HO. And we're gonna put new motor mounts and all that good stuff, clean everything up. But super excited to tear into this a little bit. She's gonna be a good one. Again, no issues to report in the teardown. So there you go. So that is what is up, guys. Again, lots of work going on this bad boy. Gonna send, like I said, send the heads off, see, make sure they're all good to go and all that. May go ahead, pop the pistons out, rehome the cylinders. Not sure yet. Cylinder walls look great, but I mean, we're in there, so. But that's what's up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go back and check out all the other Project 4-8 videos to kind of get you up to speed on what we're doing with this car. Lots more coming, I assure you. And then once we've got it ready to go, I'm going to give it to one of you. Link in the description if you want to find out how. Okay, so I got to clean up my mess and get rolling. So everybody have a great one. Please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll be back with more projects. Later.